Hey guys, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use one of the 2 makes 3 sets from Defy and Inspire, which is a Target brand in case you didn't know. Basically, they have these little boxes that come with 2 minis that you can use alone or you can use them together to create 3 different looks. So first up here we have the blue, and that is called Ship Happens, really pretty cobalt blue, and then we have a shimmery one called Surf Shop, and then you can use them together to create different looks. So that is what we're going to do now. First up, I'm going to start off by putting Ship Happens onto 2 of my nails because this is like the cream polish, and the other polish that we're going to look at is kind of like a topper, or can be used as a topper, as you guys will see. But this goes on really nice, a little bit sheer on the first coat, but it builds up so quickly in that second coat that even though it does kind of feel like a jelly at the start, you build it up completely in 2 coats, which is what we are going to do right now. And now that we have 2 full coats on, you can totally tell how it looks done. It is full coverage and really pretty. This one is available in a full-size bottle, so if the mini is not enough for you and you want a full-size portion of this polish, you can totally get that at Target. And next up, we have Surf Shop, and as you can see, this is a very light, kind of a pinky, purpley, shimmery polish that also picks up some kind of like a aqua or a teal, more leaning towards like a blue toned teal versus like a green toned one, but this covers really nicely, 2 coats, and actually gives you full coverage. I could see possibly if you have a super bold nail line you might need 3, but mine wasn't anything majorly bold or majorly not bold, and it covered perfectly. Now here's the part where this turns into like 3 polishes in the set of 2. You just layer it on top of the blue and it looks like a completely different polish. How cool is that? You have 3 polishes in this little set and you get 3 looks. I kind of love this whole concept, plus I've always wanted to try the Ship Happens color, so this was a great way to do it, and now that I have, I totally do want the full-size bottle. So these are available at Target now. They have a few different sets, and another one I have to show you is coming later. I purchased both of these back in August and I'm just now getting around to using them, but they're so fun, inexpensive, a great way to try out the new brand. Well, they're not new anymore, but many people have not tried Defy and Inspire yet, and they need to. Like, they're really good polishes. In case you didn't know, they're 9 free lacquers. They're affordable, you can pick them up at Target, and I just personally really like them. So there's your final look at all 3 options of ways that you can wear these 2 polishes. And if you check out today's blog post, you will also see both of these polishes used in a nail art design that I did not film, but there are pictures, so you guys are going to want to head over there to check it out. That is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing this all in a different type of format than usual. Kind of a little different from your normal swatch video, but still fun and hopefully informative. And I think that is it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. Bye!